Tips and tricks.
Talk to her and listen to her. Ask her about her family and where she grew up, her religion and politics, and what she likes to do for fun. Respect her ideas, her opinions.
She likes Metallica. You like Metallica, bam. Ask her about the music she listens to, the movies she watches, and the things she does in her spare time. Find some common ground and you will have a great way. If we guaranteed you wouldn't get friend-zoned, we'd be lying. But being friends with a girl and showing her what a wonderful you are is the best way to attract her. Be supportive when she is having a hard day, help take her mind off of her problems, be available when she needs help, and listen to her when she talks. Don't stare at her and then avoid eye contact. Don't hover around her and then never actually manage to say anything. Don't stare at certain parts of her anatomy, however tempting. Don't make weird sexual advances.